Hi everyone. So last class we discussed about that macro function. So today we're going to work on the basic formula on Excel, just like sum, average, maximum, minimum, counted. I know already I discussed about it, so I just want to be repeat it because for going to the advanced level before that you might know about that means basic just, uh, interesting. Okay. Yeah, so before we discuss about the advanced feature, initially you should need to be know about the basic formula. So after that, it will be helpful you to be understand about that advanced feature. Because in future we'll be discuss about the pivot table and other things. But initially we'll be discuss about the basic formula. So which will be helpful to you. So that's why I have. Uh, Created basic sheets where we will be do some work on the formula. So I already have sheets. So here I want to be. Just give me a minute. Uh, will be so it's a employee sheet. So here will be going to be perform some basic formula just like sum, average, maximum, minimum. Uh, So I'm just doing the formatting before start the formula. Mm, okay. So first formula we will work for sum. I think everyone know about this sum formula. To know about the total. So for work on sum formula, we just need to click on equal symbol, type sum, then select the range. Like I want to be calculate the sum of this employee list total salary. So here I selected the salary range and click on the close the bracket, and here we get the uh, total salary. Total salary means the department total salary that they are paying. Like okay. If we want to be know about the average how much they are paying for each employee. Like you can see here, someone getting 25K, someone 30, someone 20. If you want to be know about the average salary, so that time you can use that average formula. For average, here I'm writing that need to be here. Click on average, then select here. So average salary is 27,286. You can do it normally, like if you want to be do like you can select 25,000, 30,000, 28,000, 26,000. It's a manual work, it will take time. 31,000. You can do like this, then you will get the total salary, and after that you can count that total number of employee, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then after that you need to do equal total salary divided by the 7 number of employee. After that also you will be get the same number, but if you use that average formula, means it will be take less time as compared to if you do the manual. So sorry. And if you want to be removed, just like I'm telling you, like we have a lots of data, I'm considering you that equal and 200. Okay. If you want to be like create a random data, so that time you can be create the this formula equal rand between. So there you can get the random data. Like 50 to 100 I'm taking here, or if someone want to take 1000. Okay, so here I'm considering that. Okay, here you will get the random data. It will change automatically if you change one thing. So okay, so if I want to be clear all this data, so it's the one thing that you can do the manual also. Click on it and enter the delete button, or you can do like click on it backspace something like. Okay, but if you want to be clear once, means, so what you can do, just select all the data, go to here and clear all. Okay, in shortcut key you can click like alt H E and A for clear all the data. Okay. So here we get the average. Okay, now maximum. So if you want to be know that which employee get high salary, so that time we can use the maximum formula. So like look at out of them, just select the range. Oh sorry, I'm not using the formula. Equal max. Then after that select all the data. So you will get that someone getting 31,000 and his name is Rahul. Okay. Yeah, it's easy that we can be easily able to find out that who means who are getting the high salary, who are getting the less salary. But if we have the lots of data, like the list of 1,000 people or 2,000 people, so that time it's difficult. So that time we can use that maximum formula and other formula too. We can use the conditional formatting for highlight that those who are getting the top 5 or top bottom 5. Okay. For maximum, for minimum we also do like this. For minimum you can, it's basic formula, I think everyone know about it. Equal, so for minimum you need to click minimum, then select the range. Okay, you get the number that 22,000, someone getting 22,000. Arjun salary 22,000. So you can use the minimum for the find out the less, for maximum highest, for average the number, sum means total. Okay. Now if you want to be count, like here the list of these employee, I'm just creating the. Okay, look at this. Okay, let's consider that we have lots of data. So at that time I want to be find out that how many employee are in our company. So that time we can it's difficult to be count for us. So that time you can do one thing, just select all the data. Okay, so in the below you will get the count like 336, but it's the combine of all the cells. If I want to be in the serial number, 56 count. Okay, also you can use the formula for count this, like I'm writing here. For count you can use the count formula, equal count, then select the range, here the serial number. Okay, 56. Or I already told you that you can see here also showing that total count, average, minimum, maximum, sum. Okay, here also you can see, you not need to be do basic work, because basically everyone knows this. So for the advanced level, if you want to be uh, if you want to do advanced level of work, so that time we need the VLOOKUP, other formula, if function and other function. So we'll be discuss after this, for like, okay, right one for count A. Let's consider that here is the blank cell. Here is the blank cell. Okay. Look at this. If this cell has any text or something, so count function not working well. It's showing the 55 counts, but total counts number is 56, but it's showing 55. So that time you can use the count A. For count A, look at this. On count A function showing that 56, but normal count function showing 55. So it's keep in your mind that when you are want to be calculate the total number of cells, including both text and number, so that time you use the count A. If you want to be only find out that number, so that time use only count functions. Okay, like this already. If I want to give you, okay, let's come here. Like I want to use the conditional formatting, like out of this. Okay, first I need to be create table for this. So I already discussed in the last class. So if you want to be create table, so you can go to here and create the table. Okay, here on the home tab, go to border. Here also you can do, or other thing is you can do using the shortcut key, like first need to select control. So first select your table, after that click on alt H. For border click on the B. For total here click on the A. Okay, initially it will take time, but if you use it continuously, try to use the shortcut key in future, it will be means it will take only 2 to 3 days for the specialist in this field means use the shortcut key. So just try to be use the shortcut key when you are doing the Excel work. And like this, if I want to be find out that like here I am considering equal and between let's consider that. 25,000 to 50,000. Okay, I'm considering here that the employee salary 25,000 to 25,000. Okay, here I want to find out that uh, top five employee who are getting high salary. So that time you use the conditional formatting. Like here the table. If I want to be find out the top five employee who are getting the high salary, so need to go to the conditional formatting here. Okay, here you can see the top and bottom rule. Okay, so here if you want to the top 5 or top 10, so you click on the top 10 here. How many employee you want to be checked? Like I want to be checked about 5 employee, and choose the color green. Okay, 15 5. Okay, so these are the employee who are getting the highest salaries, like Sita, here Priya, Manoj, Ramesh, Sita. If you want to be find out the employee who are getting the lowest salary, so also you can do the same thing. Go to the conditional formatting. Go here the bottom 10 items. Here click on the how many employee you want. Like I want 5 employee. So click on the 5. For employee, I just want to be clear, give the red color. Here you can choose the color or custom color you also choose, and click on OK. So you can see that Mira, Arjun, and Arjun here, Sita, mm, they are getting the lowest salary out of the here number of employee, 20 number of employee. Okay. So if you want to be already, I think you already know about these things. Okay. For percentage also you can use these things, like out of this percentage, if you want to be check that uh, top top two. I'm choosing top two for Greenfield. Okay. Okay. 2%. Oh, I wrongly choose the another color. Okay. So you can do it. Um, Already last, maybe we have discussed about that VLOOKUP. So we'll be not spend much more time on this work, basic formula. Let's go to the VLOOKUP. Like I have the one data here. Okay. Like someone, you have the lots of data. You want to find out that how much total number of pens you buy, or how much of total number of pencil. So that time you can use that VLOOKUP, V for vertical lookup. Like I'm saying, first you need to be go to the data table, data validation. Go data validation here. Click on that data tool, data validation, data tool, and click on the data validation here. Go to the Here, click on the list. On list, click here and click on enter. Okay. So okay. So if I want to be check that pencil, pen or something, so now I use the VLOOKUP formula for find out that find out means out of the list that how much pen or how much pencil or notebook price. Okay. If I want to be check the price, so equal, then click VLOOKUP. Then first showing the lookup value. Lookup value means here where you want to be look. Uh, I means this formula look the first these cells, then give comma, then showing the table array. Select the table. Select the table. Okay. Then give comma, then column index. Which number column data we want to be show. This is column 1 and 2. Like I am writing here 2 and click bracket and enter. So when I click here that book, so showing the okay, what's happening? Notebook, pencil showing. Mhm. Okay, yes, here something wrong happening. So equal lookup value, click, then column index, here select F4, then column number 2. Okay, okay, it's working now. Maybe. Hmm. Then weapon. What happened? Table array, pencil, pencil. Okay, let's see. Product, pen, pencil, notebook, book, file. On the price, I'm writing here that 10, 5, 25, 30, 15. PM. control V. Okay. So now if I use here that equal VLOOKUP table area comma lookup table. Okay, now it's working. Pencil. So you can use this VLOOKUP for find out that number data out of the list. So like if I want to be find out that notebook price, so here I write the notebook, then click on enter, automatically get the notebook price here. So you can do one thing here, write product and price. For notebook. Okay, here also I already told you that you can use the data validation. Go to the data, click on data tool, data validation. Here click on the allow and choose list. On list, select this data and click on OK. So when you click on like pencil, when you click notebook, okay, you will get the price of that item. Okay, you can do it on your Excel task. Like if you want to be do practice, you can do this. And another thing is if you want to do like here, see here the text are that mix of the first letter is capital letter and another one and rest of the is small letter. So if you want to be do like uppercase or small case, so you can use the Excel formula because Excel don't have any formula for that. You can do it like uppercase and small case. Like if I'll tell you in Word, if you want to be like I'm writing someone name Ram. Okay, so if I want to be okay, so this is the uppercase. If I want to small case, so here I can click on change case and make it lowercase or make it capitalize each word, sentence case. But in Excel there are not have any such a thing, so there you need to be use the formula. So like if I want to be make it the uppercase, so here you can do like for uppercase, like capitalize each word, click on equal, upper, and click on here. Okay. If I want to smaller case, then you can click on equal, lower, click on here. But if you want like this, like you have the smaller case, you want to like this proper case, so that time you use the proper formula. Like for this, you can use for lower proper. Okay, look at this. So okay, for upper case you can do like this. For lower case, like this. For proper case, you can do like this. Hmm. uh, for time, like today date, if you want to know like your Excel or somewhere your worksheet, you want to put the date. So you can do it automate like using the today formula. So like this, today is 21 November. So you just need to be click on here. If I want to be use the today formula, write today and bracket and enter. So here you get that today date. What is 20, 21 November 2025. Okay. So if you want to be make it like a different case, so here the in middle November month and the year into the last year. So here you can do like go to the number, here number, go to custom, or you can go here um, date. Okay, you can go here date. Here choose that how you want to like cases I have को like अगर if you want पहले अगर तुम्हें ऐसे चाहिए ऐसे कर सकते हो, अगर तुम्हें पहले मंथ से तो मंथ भी कर सकते हो, अगर ओके यू कैन चूज यू लाइक मुझे चाहिए कि पहले आई वांट दैट फर्स्ट दैट डेट देन मंथ देन ईयर. सो इंडिया में जो भी यूज होता है, सो यू कैन डू लाइक दैट. ओके फॉर trim you can use the trim function for remove the spaces. like मैंने यहाँ कुछ लिखा like hi everyone, today will discuss something related to uh, accounts. Okay, like wrongly I give the extra space here. So if you want to remove that extra space, so you can use the trim formula. Okay, another formula is like here the name. Okay, I'm completing here. Someone name is Ramesh Mohanty, Mohanty, Sitam Mandal. Okay, Manas Tiwari, Priya, Swen, Arjun, listen, Jena or something, Mira, Nayak, and Rahul Gupta. Okay, so if you want to split the name, like you can see in your other card, first enter your first name, like first name, then last name. Okay, like this. अगर तुम्हें चाहिए ऐसे करना है, so you can do first right here Ramesh, Ramesh, then okay, look at this. You just need to the first name and the last name Mohanty, Mohanty. Okay, so then क्या करना है कि यहाँ आके तुम्हें कीबोर्ड में कंट्रोल ई क्लिक करना, कंट्रोल एंड ई. ओके, कंट्रोल एंड ई. सो क्या है कि ऑटोमेटिकली क्या है कि फास्ट नेम आ जाएगा सबका. और अगर तुम्हें लास्ट नेम भी चाहिए, हियर ऑल्सो क्लिक कंट्रोल ई लास्ट नेम. ओके, सो दीज आर द बेसिक फॉर्मूला. ऑलरेडी I told you the round, left, average, basic things. Lookup, you see your lookup, how we are using. Like for notebook, already we discussed. For uppercase, lowercase, you can use like this. Use that. Upper formula for uppercase, lower formula for lowercase, and proper for the proper data means like fast word, fast letter you want to be the capital letter. So that time you use the proper case. And for date, like if you want to be put date, today date, today, so you can use the today formula. Okay. For count, you can use the count formula. Okay. Like if you want to the freeze the pen, like I'm now starting something. Okay. If you want to remove this grid line, look at this. If you want to remove this grid line, if you want to remove this grid line, so you can do the things. Click on that view and remove here. Remove. You can see full clean sheet. अगर चाहिए तो क्लिक कर सकते हो, यहाँ टिक करोगे तो आ जाएगा फिर से. ओके. If someone not need that heading, here also he remove. Look at this. One view. If you want to remove the formula bar, this is the formula bar. If you want to be removed, like you have lots of expertise and you can be do without looking to the formula bar. So you can go here and click. Not showing the formula bar. And if don't you don't have the much more space, so that time you also do. Yeah. So now in formatting, I am removing this and writing something. Go to here, click, choose color. Okay. So just like I'm writing something, basic Excel. Okay. I want to freeze this pen. Means if I'll do anything, any task, this pen always visible. Okay. और चाहिए ऐसे कि मुझे एवरी टाइम ये विजिबल मिले. मैं अगर कुछ काम भी कर रहा हूँ, लाइक मैंने डाटा पुट कर दिया. सो अगर मैं नीचे जाता हूँ तो ये बेसिक एक्सेल नहीं दिख रहा है. सो क्या कर सकता हूँ मैं? गो टू हियर. ओके. इन व्यू, गो टू फ्रीज पेन. यहाँ मैं फ्रीज पेन में क्लिक करके इसे फ्रीज कर सकता हूँ. नो मिलते. देखो मैं फ्रीज कर सकता हूँ इसे. सो अगर मेरा कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट है लाइक कॉलेज नेम और मैं टास्क कुछ कर रहा हूँ, तो ऐसे फ्रीज करके मैं काम कर सकता हूँ. ओके. अगर तुम्हें सेल रिमूव करना है, लाइक रो रिमूव करना है, कलम रिमूव करना है, एक ट्रिक है कि तुम होम जाओ, यहाँ डिलीट पर क्लिक करो, ऐसे भी रिमूव कर सकते हो. अनदर थिंग इज यू कैन select that row and click on the control and minus symbol. Control and minus symbol. Okay. Control and minus. Okay. Uh, so if you like this video, please subscribe. And I think we need to be end this video. We'll discuss other things later. So uh, I think it's enough for today. For our next class, will be discuss other things, other advanced features, do advanced tasks, use the VLOOKUP, pivot table, HLOOKUP, Excel, XLOOKUP, other things. So bye for today. So before leaving, please try to be